Behind this curtain is where all your fantasies come to life. This is a place where you can escape. Welcome to
me, Ashton, and today we are back with Minecraft. So I had to start, for some reason the other game was glitching out, so I decided to make a new server, and I made a house in creative mode. But right now, I am in survival mode. It's on peaceful just for now, because I don't want any mob spawning while I'm doing this kind of house tour. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and play this. So I'm going to go ahead and go sleep, because I don't want it to be dark, so you can see the house better. So let's go ahead and go upstairs really quick. And just sleep. But I did this whole house in creative mode. I had some stuff to start me off, but I want to really do most of it in easy mode. I already did some of it in easy mode, and I got some like basic starter stuff like diamonds and food and stuff. So yeah. So let's start all the way down here. So I'm in the jungle right now, so yeah, I'm kind of in a jungle area. Over here I have my pen of animals. I currently only have sheep and cows in there. And then over here behind the stairs is my little gardening area. I have like pumpkins, wheat, carrots growing and stuff like that. And then I have these staircases that go up to my house. And this is what my house looks like basically. It's just blue and white, and yeah. And there's 2 floors, so I have wooden doors. I should probably upgrade those, but I really like those doors, so yeah. And then I have like this cooking area, or my iron is done because I went mining off camera and got a bunch of iron, so that's done. And then over here I have, oh no, my thing disappeared. Oh well, I had another chair here and over there, but I know what happened to it. I'll have to fix that. But anyways, I just have some cakes here, mostly for decoration and also in case I get hungry. I have some stuff in here so I won't go hungry and stuff. But yeah, I have some basic stuff in there. I have some shulker boxes over here, and a bunch of, I have so many of these furnaces, and then I have a bunch of storage areas and crafting tables everywhere. I also have some heads here. I have a creeper head, I have a zombie head, a dragon head, and some skeleton heads, because I thought it'd be a kind of like fun to decorate. Over here I have my bed. I have blue and white beds. I have black window panes, and the ceiling has this like design where it's like a weird, like, I don't know, kind of square design. And then I have my enchantment table here, and over here is kind of like just another window and then a place to sit. So yeah, and then I have more empty chests just in case I can fill up lots of stuff. I have some glowstone as lighting and like a chandelier kind of thing. So yeah, and then I have more windows, and that's basically it for my house. I know it's kind of basic and boring, but you know, it does good for me right now. So yeah, pretty much that's what my house looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and go in these settings and put it on easy. So I will get hungry and stuff, and I need to watch for that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some food while I'm at it. I have a bunch of food with me, so I should be fine with food-wise. But I just want to go ahead and chop down some trees so I can collect some wood. And also I'm in a very woody area. Oh shit, that was really dumb. That was really dumb. I should not have done that. I'm fucking stupid. Oh well, I've got amnesia mode and I can die now. I'm not thinking about that, you know? But I explored this map quite a bit, and I'm quite happy with what I found. There's some other areas I could have built that I kind of wish I would have built in, but I didn't. But you know what? That's okay. You know, I like this area. It's nice. So let's just leave it at that. I like this area. So you know, I've always liked the jungle areas in Minecraft, so I decided to build my house here. So yeah. So we can get some wood. Yep. There we go. There is cocoa beans. Ooh. Give me some cocoa beans. Oh no. What? How did I get in here? How? What? Oh. I was like, where did this come from? I didn't remember building my house next to a lake. But I have like a nice little creek area. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to sand over there so I can grow cacti. That's cool. But yeah, pretty much that's it, you know. I'm just going to go ahead I need to fix it so I won't fall off the staircase. I should do that I'm gonna do that in creative mode some other day. But for now, we're just gonna leave it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make a bunch of planks. So, and put them in here. I'll put them actually in here. This is I have some stuff to fix my house up in case Creeper comes along and explodes it, so I have extra stuff to fix that. I have sand and stuff here. I'll go ahead and I'll put this in here. Oh, and I want to make, actually, you know what? I've got an idea. I'm going to go ahead and make another chest. I'll make a bigger one, actually. I'll make a double chest. I'm going to make a chest so I can put it out by my gardening stuff. So then I can put my gardening stuff in there. And the gardening is, again, behind the stairs. So I want to go ahead and put, like... Oops, why does it say I haven't explored? I explored so much more than that. What? Okay, that's weird. Anyways, I'm just going to put that there. I'm going to store... I have some of it inside too. I should have grabbed it before I came back out. But you know what? That's alright. Let's go ahead and go all the way back up. I kind of regret building my house this high now. I know. Open the door. Let me in. Okay. I'm just going to grab... Let's make some bone meal. Let's make some bone meal so we can grow our stuff. We'll start with that. And put some saplings in here. Tree saplings. I have cocoa beans. And then... Let's see if we can make bone meal. How do you make bone meal? Oh, there we go. Let's make a bunch of bone meal. By the way, I did that in creative mode, just so I could have a loads of bone meal to start me off with my garden. Because I want a big garden. So yeah, we have a loads of bone meal now. I also want to get more bone when I kill like mobs and stuff, so I can oops, I didn't mean to do that. So I can what was I saying? I also want to get a bunch of bones when I kill mobs so I can get wolves. I think that would be pretty cool. Oops, that's not what I meant to do, but okay. We have plenty of this, so we can just start our garden off and have some extra food. Why isn't this one working? There. Is it, like, why isn't it coming out, the pumpkin? I don't know why the pumpkin's not coming out, but okay. Kind of weird, but okay. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and get our carrots. All our stuff. And our beets. And let's get our wheat. That's weird, why don't grow the pumpkin? That's weird. I don't know why the pumpkins aren't growing. That's sad. I want my pumpkins to grow. Alright, let's go ahead and put the seeds in our inventory and just start growing more. Let's go ahead and just start with 2 rows of wheat. Oops, I'm running out. I don't have that much wheat. Okay. But let's also plant a bunch of these and some melon seeds. Because why not? Alright, there we go. Let's leave some room for them to grow. And let's go ahead and put our stuff in here. Oops, not the chicken. I need the chicken. Put that in there. This there. Put this stuff in here. No, stop putting the chicken in there. Need that. Alright, and there we go. And put this in there as well. Actually, yeah, let's put these things with our food inventory. And, oh, it's getting dark. Oh, let's go before some mobs come out. I don't want that. I'm scared of mobs. Oh, honestly, I'm scared that mobs are going to start spawning. And I'm like, no. I'm always terrified of mobs. Like, I'm going to die. And then I'm going to be like, fuck. And I'm screwed. And, you know, shit happens. So let's just sleep. Go ahead and sleep. And then it's daytime, yay! And let's go ahead and put some food up here. Because I feel like sometimes I want a midnight snack, you know. If you know what I mean. But yeah, let's go ahead and grab some of our stuff. I want to go exploring, so yeah. Is it raining? No, it's not raining. I thought it was raining. Alright, so let me know what you think of this house so far, and what I should add. Should I add some paintings? I feel like I should. Like, add some paintings or something to it, just to spice it up. But I'm really quickly going to go in creative mode. Let's go ahead and fly around the map. I can't fly, can I? What do I do that I can't fly? What? Oh, oops, that's why. Let's go ahead and search around the map, because we haven't done much exploring, apparently. I don't know why it hasn't shown it on the map, but I did a lot of exploring. There's like a desert area, mostly forest though. It's mostly forest over this area. This is all mostly forest. And then there was like desert areas out there somewhere. What's on the other map? I don't remember. I think that was before the other map shut down. Oh, well, there's more area. Oh, shit. What? Oh, I was like, what? Let's go higher. There we go. Lots and lots of area to discover. Yeah, it's like, I went digging a cave down there. That's where I was exploring before. And it's lagging so badly. This is a whole freaking map, just seems to be forest. But I know there must be more than just forest. Come on, where's the rest of the world? Oh, there we go, we got some drier land here. Ooh, wait. What's that? Oh, it's a village. Let's go down. Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait, that's right, I don't die, so... yeah, I'm good. Let's go ahead and explore this. Nothing good in there. Let's go and talk to these villagers. Let's see what they have to offer. Oh, I didn't mean to hit you, I'm sorry. I just wanted to trade with you. I'm sorry, I didn't see the trade button. Oh, that's not bad, actually. That's actually a good deal. But yeah, it's like there's just a little village here. That's cool. I'll make sure I can find my house again. Oh god, I forgot about that. Oh shit. I didn't think about that. Well, let's go back, I think. Try to find my house again. Go this way. My house has to be down here somewhere. There it is. There's my house. And look at the roof. I think it looks so fancy. Like, I did like this weird design. I want to make it a 3-layered house. Like so there's like 3 floors. But then I don't know what to put on the 3rd floor. And I'm like, I have no idea what to decorate with. And if you guys can let me know how to make a decorating mod, that would be great. Oh, I have a hole right there. I need to fix that. Alright, I'll fix that after. But yeah, if you guys know how to, if you guys know how to, oh shit, I'm making holes in the floor. This is why I put this here for a reason. Because I know I'm clumsy. White goes there. Oh, no. White goes there. Blue goes there. And white goes there. Alright, let's go ahead and fix outside my house. Where I saw there was a hole. Hey, no, come on outside the freaking house. Get out. Alright, thank you. Let's go ahead and patch this hole. It's not even a hole. What is that? I don't know. That's weird. But, yeah. So, pretty much that's just what my house looks like. And just a little tour of it, I guess. Oh, shoot. What am I doing? This is why I hate being creative. Because, like, the slightest things irritate it. And I'm just like, ugh. Oof. And honestly, I don't want to do everything creative. I feel like that's cheating. So I do want to do some of it in... I do want to do some of this in... easy mode, because I feel like I'm cheating if I do it all in creative, because then it's no fun, because then you could just do whatever you wanted, you know? So, like, yeah, I just wanted to get some stuff done. I built the house, and I want to go exploring still, but I'm always afraid to lose my house, you know, and I have everything I need here. I have unlimited sheep and freaking cows, and I have my own little garden over here, so I have plenty of stuff to do. It's not like I'm going to run out of anything soon. Oh, you know what I do need? I'm just going to cheat really quick. I wonder if this is wrong with me. And I probably have enough to craft one anyways, but, you know, it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and get a diamond hoe for our gardening area and just put that in here. There we go. And also let's put this in here and just get another one. Oof. I don't know what that was. Boyfriend just messaging me. I don't know. But yeah, this is my house, you guys. I hope you like it. I want to decorate it more, but like I don't know what to do. Yeah. Let's go ahead and go back into survival and easy. Let's see, do I have anything up here? I don't even think I do. Do I have anything up here? I don't think I have anything in these chests yet. It's like, I don't know what I keep in here. Maybe like, I mean like snacking food in there. But like other than that, I don't really have anything. So, yeah. I don't have much, honestly. So, yeah. Oh, shoot. Oof. Oh, I wonder, why isn't it getting me hungry? Usually I get hungry around, like if I fall, I get hungry. Why is it not letting me get hungry? That's weird. So I usually get hungry whenever I fall. I'm kind of testing this out, honestly. I'm just like seeing why I'm not hungry. Oh, I fell in a tree. Fucking tree, you saved me. I wanted to kill myself, goddamn tree. That's why I jump off. Jump off this way. Whee! Oh, a fucking branch saved me. You know, but I don't know why. Oh, there it goes. Now it goes down. Okay, now it's going down. But I guess the more you run around, the more the hunger goes down. I think that's how it works. But yeah, I don't want to kill my cows, but if I have to, I will. So, yeah, let's just hope I won't have to. And they can live their peaceful lives. Oh, why is there a hole in the ground? What? Why is there a hole in the ground? That's unacceptable. Oh wait, no, it doesn't go there. No! I keep forgetting I'm not in creative mode and it doesn't bother matter how hard I hit it, you know. So used to like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and grab some. Where did I put the food in here? Yeah, the food's in here. So I have plenty of food to last me a very long time. So I should be fine. And how do you eat it? Oh, that's how. Just left. Okay, that's cool. Can you sit on this? I don't think I can. Like, I'm curious. I want to figure out Minecraft more. Like, I'm curious. Like, do you guys know how to get furniture mods? Sorry, my house phone is ringing. But if you guys know how to get furniture mods, I can do a lot more with that. And I can decorate a lot more and make a video about me decorating my house. If you guys know how to get mods on the app, let me know. That would be amazing if you could let me know how to do that. Without buying things, please. But, like, if you can download mods, how do you do it? Because I need to know. But yeah, that's all for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you a little update of my new house and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified every time I make a video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye!